Ramya, what's your monthly cost of living? So this is the most common question that we get asked very frequently. So today I'm going to decode that. So stay tuned. Just for the background, I'm Ramya and that's my partner Rahul. Together we are doing our masters. I'm doing my masters separately and he's doing his. He's in supply chain and I'm in marketing. And we are almost done with our masters and I'm interning. So this is my background and more is coming soon. So if you're interested to know what's the life like in France and what's the cost of living for a student, stay tuned. Bonjour, welcome back to India to France. First, quick context. So I live in Toulouse. We both live in Toulouse, not Paris, because the expenses here are manageable. And we both do our full-time masters. And it was about 1.5 years, ideally 1 year, but another half year was for pre-masters. So give and take 1.5 years. And now that we have completed campus studies, we are now doing our masters. I'm doing my internship full time. Rahul and I, we both live together and we cook at home most of the time. Yeah. There's very little time that we eat outside or spend outside. Maybe on Sundays because we are working part-time and sometimes we might not be able to cook. But that too rare, once or twice a month, that's it. And yeah, we also don't go to gym and we also avoid unnecessary spending. So yeah, that's us as a couple. We heavily rely on Linky, which is a student support program which provides groceries for all the students who like to get groceries. So I've also created a separate vlog on that, so you can check it out. So let's dive in. The first one is the grocery. Like I mentioned earlier, we cook at home every single day. So we cook from chicken curry, poha, sabudani khichdi, and I'm pretty sure you have already watched that on my Instagram. Yes, so we can cook a lot of this, a lot of it. So we don't really rely on hotels or restaurants for food. And I carry my lunchbox to office every day. Actually, my partner helps to cook most of the time. So yeah, and one more thing is that there is no restaurant or any sort of boulangerie available where I work. There's just one, but most of it is of the meats which we don't eat. So I don't have a choice. I rely on my home cooked food, and it's a classic Indian style dabba that I carry. Oh, by the way, you guys, so since I've been creating content for almost a year now, I have curated some really helpful digital assets. So they are free. I'm giving them up for free. So if you're interested, you can also sign up. Give me a small feedback, like how do you enjoy and how did you find my vlog from, and what do you enjoy the most watching on my channel, and voila, you have access to all the free assets. And I keep uploading or updating this link with a lot of new content as well. Now let's get down at my monthly food and groceries cost. I'm going to divide this as two people, and because it's going to be helpful in terms of understanding. Now, first one is Indian grocery cost. So monthly I visit sometimes and Rahul visits sometimes, so I'm just counting my expense as a single student. So monthly Indian grocery cost comes around 30 euros, where we buy poha, sabudana, rice, what else?
Yeah, that's about it.
All these groceries, dals, and sometimes the spices, right? Like your mustard seeds, oil, cumin seeds, and these things. So we buy it together. So monthly for me it costs 30 euros. Chicken, eggs, sometimes some breads, milk cartons, all these monthly cost me 30 euros, like 30. Now, we make so many Indian curries that go along with the sabzi, like sabzi and chapati. So I don't really prepare chapati all the time. So I rely on a replacement that is baguette, and it's a staple food here. And trust me, it tastes amazing. I'm suggesting you, if you're eating supposedly paneer masala, something palak paneer, okay, you can eat it with baguette. Or if you're eating chicken curry, it goes very well with baguette. So we buy a lot of baguette, maybe thrice or 4 times a week. So my whole month I spend around 20 euros just buying baguette, and sometimes, here and there some flan or other stuff. We don't spend very much on snacks, so sometimes here and there we would like to indulge, especially me, okay? So I like it. I like eating flan and chocolatine croissant. So for a month, it can come around 32 euros. Now, for the rest of the stuffs, like I mentioned, very starting that we heavily rely on this organization called as Linky, right? Yeah, Linky. So here we get so many stuffs. I mean, I cannot even start to list down. I have made a separate video. I suggest you go look at it. Fruits, vegetables, pasta, desserts, so many stuffs. I mean, if I give up on buying groceries, I think I can completely survive on just the products that we get from Linky. So that's like a savior that we have for students. It's only for students, by the way. Segment 2, rent and utilities. So since I and my partner stay together, we split the rent. So monthly rent comes around 700 euros and electricity around 50 to 60 euros. Not more than that. Even in summer or winter, we are very mindful in terms of using the heaters during the winters, because the heaters tend to get a lot of electricity, and also the AC. We don't have AC, so so the housing cost is 350 euros, my share, and the electricity costs 30 euros, which is my share. So the total housing cost comes around 380 euros, that is my share, right? Now, the most interesting thing is CAF, CAF, that is the student allowance provided by the French government to the students. That comes around 200 euros for most of the people or most of the students, but somehow I'm getting 180 and him 180 each. So my total utility costs deducting CAF comes around 200 euros. Now, the transportation. I travel from Toulouse-Matterhorn to Eskilkins, where I work, and that's a SNCF ticket that cost me around 42 euros to be precise. And no, I don't have any TCO card. If I buy for my age, it would come around 54 euros or more than that. So anybody who is under 26 age, it comes around 14 euros. So lucky you guys if you're under 26. And the best part is 50% of the transportation charge is reimbursed by the company itself. So yeah, effectively I'm paying 22 euros for my transportation. Now, the utility costs, like my phone charge, my SIM card, that comes around 9.99, so let's assume 10 euros. And no, we don't have subscriptions to any of the binge watching platforms. I just have one, that is Amazon Prime, which is in India, so I don't really count it here. But other than that, we rely on platforms like NetMirror and Dailymotions, and Rahul knows a bunch of those stuff, so we don't have any subscriptions. By the way, it's our 8th year anniversary, marriage anniversary, so feel free to wish in the comment section. Kind of a motivation, I don't know, but we need it, guys. We are alone here in a country, unknown country. We are exploring, so some support, some kind of support means too much. So also the intercity transport, we don't really have a TCO card, as I was talking about earlier, but we have a whole year subscription of Velo Toulouse, which is a bicycle that you can take. It's extremely convenient, especially if you're trying to save some money, or especially if you're about 26 of age. This is really helpful. So it costs around 30 euros for regular ones and 35 euros for the electric one. They're amazing. Great cost saving. I also take one-on-one calls, so feel free to book a call with me where we can talk about my experience. If you need any tips or help regarding any process, we can do. I wanted to give a tip which I didn't know earlier. That is, if you want to shop anything from your clothes, utilities, or something which is required for your washing machine part or your watch, you can buy it from Temu, and it does not cost you much like as it is here in local market. So minimum purchase that you have to do is for 20 euros, but it saves so much. I at least order thrice a month. It saves a lot. So it could be anything, okay? So check out. I don't have any collaboration with them, just letting you know. He found this hotel. In 1.5 years, this is the first time we are officially going to a restaurant. So guys, whoever is thinking, studying abroad is easy and this all funny stuff, good stuff, it's not, because we also have to look at the budgeting. Would you believe that if I say that this is the first time in 1.5 years since I'm here, this is the first time I'm visiting the restaurant?
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಮಾಡಂದಿದ್ದು ಅವ್ರು ಖಾರ ಒಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ನಿಂಬೆಹಣ್ಣು ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ, ನಿಂಬೆಹಣ್ಣು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ. ನೀ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರಿ ತಗೋ ಮಗು, ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So yes, I spent around 350 euros per month as my monthly expense living here in Toulouse, France as an intern, and on student visa, of course. Well, I enjoy both homemade food, khichdi, and occasionally some French patisseries. Now, if I were living in Paris instead of Toulouse, I think the cost of living would have been more than 1200 euros, because I've spoken to so many people and spoken to so many influencers over there, or the content creators. They said the house rent alone comes around 800 euros to 1000 euros. So you imagine. So the final call, like what I think is that Toulouse is really a nice place for students who are looking at affordability, quality education, work-life balance. And not just Toulouse, there are so many other cities as well, like Lille, Lyon, what else? Bordeaux, yeah, all of these, Montpellier. So that's extremely famous for their schools. Yeah. Also, don't underestimate the power of community support like Linky, and also if you have joined any Indian community. So yes, they come for rescue a lot of times. be in contact with any such groups, and one of those groups I can add a link down in the description so you can click it and directly join the WhatsApp group. It's really important to be associated in a community where you feel like you belong. So I hope this breakdown gives you a clear sense of what the cost of living might look like in France, in city like Toulouse. Now, if you are here as a student already or someone who is working as an intern, let me know what are your monthly expenses, because 350 is my monthly expense. So I would be interested in knowing your monthly expenses too. Do like, share and subscribe, because any reaction or any sort of traction on my YouTube really motivates me to create more quality content for you guys. When I was applying for France as a student, I did not have much content on Toulouse, and that's why I started to make some. Also, if ever you feel like you want to talk to someone who lives here and who has walked the same path just like you are going to do, you can always hop on a call with me. I will add the link in the description below or in the first comment. So click it and schedule a call with me, and we can talk and discuss a lot of problems that you might be facing right now. Trust me, it's gonna help. I have also created a lot of useful vlogs, and one of which is what the house looks like when you rent an apartment here. So you can click somewhere here on that video and watch that. And yes, alright, so from Poha to Chocolatine, from Velo Toulouse to SNCF train. This is the real simple life that an Indian living in France has. So I hope it was helpful. I'll see you in another one. Until then, bye.